So hello everyone, welcome back to the Codersarts. So in this project idea implementation video, we are going to implement a project idea which is called as the WebView Opener app. So in this we are going to enter getting some URL from the user, and we are just using this URL here. And when we click on the open URL button, so it is going to be open a screen which have our URL link is open directly. So in this we are using the WebView. For this we have our two activities here. First screen is the main activity, and second screen is the WebView activity. So let's try and demonstrate it, like what we are going to create. So let's enter the URL here. So you can see this is the basically like www.google.co.in. So let's click on the open URL. So once you click on this, so you are getting this your open URL done. Okay. So let's once you get back, so you have to, like, if you have to open the Geeks for Geek, so we can also open it. Okay. So once we enter our URL, we have clicked on the open URL. We are seeing like the Geeks for Geeks portal is opening here. So that's all. So be continue with us. So this is the introduction part, and in the next video we are going to create this application. So thank you, and being with us.